Trading is not easy, guys. When they tell you it is easy, vele ubaleke ndoda unamanga loyo muntu loyo yakushaya. This is the hardest skill to make easy money, in my opinion at least. So yeah, today not today rather, on the 30th of June, I was looking at GBP-JPY longs. So what made me buy here, it was that invasion fair value gap lapha le niyayibona man, niyazi invasion fair value gap. So yeah, I bought because of that invasion fair value gap and thinking overall GBP-JPY was going to buy on this day. So I was correct, that's what I can say. It's just helping aimer for like unrealistic targets. So why did I lose on this day? I lost because bengakazi fairly. So every time I take a loss, I go and do a homework. Most of the time, yeah, I can say that. So during Asia session, price area impulse, the price area sneakers are an impulsive leg, like in long expansion move downwards. So leyo bekamele kube iQ yami ukuthi nge-London session, nge-New York session, bro, sit on top of your hands, angeke uzu trade on this day. Lento le I only find out after the loss, that's all. So into bekamele ngiyenze on this day was just to watch the market and wait for another day. So njengoba ngisasho, the expansion, if i-price izocreate i-expansion like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, or higher high, higher low, mangabe yaphezulu, like a large expansion during Asia session, unga-trade on that day, just like it did here. That's all. So lana bengimakha ama-buy side liquidity la bengicabanga ukuthi ingaya kuwe-price. So currently iphakathi kwe-IFG iyo le iphushayo manje eyisa like phezulu, right? So le ngiceda kuyimakha lapha. So yeah, njengoba bengisasho, so mangabe iyele ya expanda during Asia session ekseni, unga-trade i-London session or in New York session, just stop and wait for another day. That's all. Market will always give us some opportunities. So lapha benginibonisa ukuthi the trade le, it's not like I'm what in demo trading or ngizibheka kuphela lezi zinto. I do execute on these trades, that's all. So that's the broker that I'm using, IFX currently. So I'm not promoting them, it's just a broker engisibanisayo. So yeah, if i-price ya expanda during early session, unga-trade the next session, just sit down, that's all. Just wait, that's all. So yeah, if you can take one thing from what I just said, thatha leyo nto leyo ukuthi if i-price ile expand during early session, I'm not trading the next session. Into ufuna ukuyibona during early session yinto eyenze la ku-London, like creating equal highs, equal lows, like i-move encane nje, inga-move, inga-distribute in one direction, like it should stay in one position during Asia session, then manipulate it during London, then distribute in New York session, that's all. So that's what I learned from this trade, that's all. Okay, so as we are looking for them, you can see I've annotated listen to ziyazisho. So i-price yele athatha sell side, so that last push downwards beyothatha sell side, that's all. Then isinikeze i-inversion fair value gap le eyele yangaya the entry, that's all. So currently la it was 1:3, yeah, bekamele ngiphume lapha, yeah, 1:3 is enough, guys. Don't be greedy, like bafethu yazini. Yeah, that's why ngithi trading is not easy. This thing is not easy. Yeah, like sorry about that, like aiming for unrealistic targets like I did here. So la currently ngiceda kumakha i-inversion fair value gap. So I think bengicabanga ukuthi i-price izobhaya from there. Yeah, it didn't. So yeah, next day bengtrade in a stack on this day. So I bought there, nakhona ngibhayiswe yini inversion fair value gap. Same scenario, ebafethu imarket yenza into eyi-1 every day, just that uyazi ingqondo yomuntu angeke okay ingayenza ne, like your mind can be robotic, you just have to teach it. So sometimes ithanda ithanda like stray away at all. So here bengibona inversion fair value gap. Okay, so bathini refining my stop loss. Yeah, overall bias, yeah, being right for the week, not the day, because it bought when Thursday. Yeah, so here I saw inversion fair value gap ngabhaya futhi thinking, yeah, I'm a superhero, then izobhaya on a Tuesday. Yeah, bruh, being wrong fit. Then to the area immediately ngiceda kubhaya back and went down and took me out. That ain't what it, and it happens isikhathini esibhaya mangiceda ngena. But then yeah, it's a lesson that I had to learn ukuthi there are times where you don't have to trade. And mawuthola ivalue ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like and share. Awe.